Okay guys, so this is the table. Now, as you guys can see, we don't have it completely put together, and that is because we're actually going to be customizing this table for our own needs, and I'm going to be completely making this my own custom table, different than how the directions are, so you guys can follow the directions, but I wanted to show you guys some of the things here. So let's go ahead and turn on the lights. So we set up the LED lights, and you got all these different modes on here. So it comes with the LED lights. Nice little strip that you guys can put wherever you want. But overall, it's a nice table. It's easy to put together. Really nice LED lights. Just overall a nice, if you want to use it for computer desk, if you want to use it for just a regular desk. Again, if you guys install the other pieces, it's going to go up like real high up to here, and you can do all that. For us, we have a custom project, but I think you guys are going to be happy with the desk. It's nice, it's easy to put together,